In this video, we are going to see how to extract banana stem water. To get started, you need a healthy-looking banana tree like this. First, use a sharp knife and cut the banana tree. You can use a fork for this purpose. Make sure you make a deep hole. The deeper the hole, the better the result. Once done, cover it with a banana leaf or foil paper. Securely tie it with a thread or rubber band. Let it sit overnight. Securely tie it with a thread or rubber band, let it sit overnight. Next day morning, open it and you will see water filled in that hole. This is banana stem water. Collect it in a bowl like this. This water is very important. It has lots of health benefits. Must try it now if you want. You can drink it directly, but it is better to filter it first to remove any impurities. So I'll use this strainer to filter the water. You can also use a straw to filter it. After that, you can drink it. It has a sweet taste, something like coconut water. Now let's see the benefits of banana stem water. It helps to flush out toxins from the body. It is a natural diuretic. It helps to reduce swelling and inflammation in the body. It is rich in antioxidants which help to protect the body from free radicals. It improves digestion and prevents constipation. It boosts the immune system. It helps to lower blood pressure. It reduces the risk of kidney stones. And now let's see the best Ayurvedic medicine for kidney stone and UTI. As we know, both kidney stone and urinary tract infection are very painful conditions. Ayurvedic medicines are always preferred because they have no side effects, but in some critical cases, your doctor may suggest surgery to remove the stones, but to prevent the formation of new stones. And to keep the existing stones from getting bigger, you can try these Ayurvedic medicines. Also check out these useful videos shown on screen to know more about the benefits of banana stem water, and don't forget to subscribe.